Hey everyone, Bo Moore here from IGN. We're here just outside of NVIDIA's CES 2020 booth, and they're showing off a brand new 360Hz gaming monitor. But what I want to know is, does playing at 360Hz really make you a better gamer? NVIDIA says yes. They've got a demo, let's try it out. So I just finished the demo. We were playing CSGO, and as you can see from the footage, it really does make a huge difference. On the reaction time test, I ran it through a couple of times, and at 60 FPS, I only hit a maximum of 2 out of the 10 shots. One of them I only hit 1, and one I missed every single shot. But then at 360 Hz, I hit almost every shot. I didn't hit that 10 out of 10, I messed up one of them, but in both tries, I got all 9 of my shots. Then in the head tracking test, it took me so long to pick up the targets at 60 FPS. I actually also tested it at 120 FPS, and there it was definitely better than 60, but then bumping up to 360, it was still a world of difference, and I made way more of my shots. It might not seem like much jumping from 240 to 360 Hz, but if you're moving up from 60 or 120 FPS, this is really a world of difference in terms of how it affects your gameplay. I was really impressed with the way it made me, honestly, a bit of a better gamer. For more from CES, keep it to IGN.